Are you seeing the Steam-Api.dll in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. Quickly resolve Steam API inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Steam API, the Valve Steamworks API execution module. It manages localized user authentication, achievement synchronization, and cloud-save handshakes between the game executable and the Steam client. If missing or mismatched with the game version, the title will fail to launch or run in an offline state without progression tracking. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Steam API is a standard component within most gaming graphics runtimes. You can resolve this by installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy D3DX and X input files, and updating your GPU drivers if the error involves OpenGL, OpenCL, or CUDA. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Steam API. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The versions of Steam API.dll found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Steam API dependencies. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Steam API today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.